All right, quick video here. This is really easy. Had to redo the passenger side motor mount on my 2003 Honda Odyssey, so second generation Honda Odyssey. If I wanted to, I could literally push that out and rip it right through. It is definitely shot. As you can see, I can feel the vibration, especially every time I shifted. Here's the new one. Getting ready to put that in. Very easy. There's 3 bolts to the frame. You can see right there. And here's the main bolt that would go through it right here. Looks like it had a little sound dampener piece on here, some kind of vibration dampener. Not really sure. It's kind of odd, but maybe it's just something to help the rattle over here if there was one before it. Really self-explanatory. It's not really hard to figure this out too much. I'll get the flashlight here and so you can see what I'm doing. Basically just had to jack up the side of the vehicle. Get that left passenger side off the air, and then support the engine with a jack stand or block of wood or whatever you want to do. I got the jack stand right under there. It's not moving. I don't have it pressed hard against the oil pan or anything like that, ruining it. Really, with this one motor mount, the motor is not going to go much of anywhere, but you still want to have it supported so that way you don't, screw anything up trying to get it all lined back in. But basically, you have one bolt here, right by the AC line, another bolt, and the other bolt right here. So those are your 3 bolts to mount it to the frame, and they're pretty easy to get to. And then you have the 2 bolts that go to this bracket right up here. You can see that's the bracket that the bolt goes through around, and there's the 3 bolts for the going to the frame. So nothing super special, just 14 millimeter socket and a 17 millimeter socket's what you're gonna need for the bolt that runs through the actual motor mount. And put that sucker back on, and then you're done. I mean, there really is not too much to it if you ever have to replace the motor mount for a second gen Odyssey. It's not too hard at all. So just want to make a quick video for that for you guys.